From ignorance, lead me to truth. From darkness, drive me to light. From mortality, guide me towards immortality. And let peace on earth prevail. My dear students, when the world is reeling under the effects of coronavirus and very recently the Ampon cyclone, let us not be sad, depressed or disheartened. Let us take this as an opportunity to recharge your energy batteries and rejuvenate yourself for the future. At present, you are sitting in the comfort of your home and taking lessons from the teachers through the distance learning program introduced by our principal sir, who remains a visionary as always. Your cherished dream of spending quality time with your loved ones is getting fulfilled. You can also now remove the dust from your indoor games and renew your acquaintance with them. The negative energy present all around can be converted into positive energy and vibrations. How? The other meaning of the word corona is a bright golden ring around the outermost layer of sun, but it is only seen during the darkest hour when there is total solar eclipse. In this present emergency situation, let this be the time of self-realization. Allow yourselves to see the light within. Respect everyone who made sure you and your parents stayed safe at home. Nurture your talents, be it in singing, dancing, sketching, writing stories, poems, the list is endless. A new world awaits us, beckons us. Hope to see you soon, children. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Mind power is one of the strongest and most useful powers you possess. This power consists of your thoughts. The thoughts that pass through your mind are responsible for everything that happens in your life. Your predominant thoughts influence your behavior, your attitude, and control your actions and reactions. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves be full of that idea and leave every other idea alone.
Children. Hope you are all safe in the comfort of your homes. It has been a long time since we have interacted face to face. Hopefully, we shall be meeting each other. To quote George Horace Lorimer, who was a famous journalist, author, and publisher, he once said that you have to get up every morning with determination if you are going to get to bed with satisfaction. This means that in order to succeed, we need to work.
We are all together, united, though we are deprived of physical proximity. We have learned to be tolerant. We have learned to value the bonds between human beings. I would like to quote Shelley: "If winter comes, can spring be far behind? No, never." Mother Nature is renewing herself, is curing herself. We will get a new world which is more safe for us to live in. New sunshine will always be there to welcome us. We will emerge as winners.
Courage doesn't mean you don't get afraid. Courage means you don't let fear stop. Dear students, stay positive during this lockdown. Learn something new. At home, develop some good habits like reading books, singing, drawing. Finally, very important, listen to your parents, maintain a timetable. Every day, wake up early in the morning and do some exercises. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello children, how are you? It's since a long time, students, we are all physically detached from each other, but you are always in our hearts. You are the focus, inspiration and goal and we always strive to give you the best. But in the present trying times, you must be mentally and physically fit and strong and must focus on your future progress. You are the epicenter of all waves in our life. So we are all with you to support your career. Just keep your goal fixed and go ahead. Success will be yours. Stay fit, stay healthy, always wear mask and keep safe distance.
Hello students, all of you are almost a millionaire. Do you know how? You have zeros all around you right now. You just need that one to put before the zeros to be a millionaire. So work hard. The hard work and the extra hours will fetch you the deserving one. Good luck. I tell you two small stories. 1973. East Bengal was playing against Dokrogan in the DCM Football Trophy final. Dokrogan, Asia's one of the toughest football teams. Their centre forward was Kamamoto, 6 foot 6 inches. The duty of restricting Kamamoto from playing properly was given to Sudhir Karmakar, 5 foot 2 inches, India's one of the finest defenders of all times. Throughout the match, Sudhir Karmakar did not allow Kamamoto to play his normal game. Discipline, determination, courage. Again, in 1977, Mohun Bagan was playing against Cosmos Football Club. Cosmos at that time was an amalgamation of the best ever footballers of the world. Some of the names: Pele, Beckenbauer, Zerzino, Rivellino, and so many others. Everybody thought Cosmos would be defeating Mohun Bagan by 2-3 goals or more. But the result ended in a 2-2 draw. The gutsy Mohun Bagan midfielder did not allow Pele to play his normal game. Gautam Shankar, 5 foot 1 inch. After the match, when the two teams met, Pele hugged Gautam Shankar and said, "Man, you played like Kaiser." Kaiser, the nickname of Franz Beckenbauer, the greatest player of all times. Again, discipline, determination, courage.
Be the change that you want to see in this, were focused to commit themselves for the betterment of their students. From lanes to colonies, from streets to roads, from districts to cities, from states to countries, and then across continents and oceans, the population on this earth was just awaking from their steps, warming themselves up in order to live another day, to give their dreams and aspirations another chance to transform to reality. When they were put again to a deep slumber. In this year 2020, the world witnessed the arrival of an unexpected visitor. Its main motive is to test the stamina, the patience and determination of human beings. Thus, the citizens are put under this situation of lockdown, isolation and quarantine. We should see this time as a challenge rather than wastage. Our challenge is to challenge ourselves. Those lost pages of the storybook, the blank canvas on the easel, the recipe books which had provided shelter to uncountable dust particles are all waiting to receive the first stroke of your imagination. It is futile to sit and sulk. Find your own comfort amidst this chaos. Spend time with your loved ones and voice out your imaginations. As responsible individuals, let's not believe and spread rumors. Let's not instigate something which is only designed to assassinate humans physically and mentally. Let's respect the decisions of our well-wishers by staying indoors, maintaining social distancing, sanitizing and disinfecting our surroundings, stepping outdoors chose to only fulfill our needs rather than our demands, and let facial masks and hand gloves guard our appearance for a while.
It is undoubtedly a very tough situation for India to tackle this pandemic, but united we stand, divided we fall. If we can fight COVID-19 just by following the rules and regulations of the government issued in the interest of the public, then why not do it? Lastly, let us join our hands together and pray to the power beyond science and make sure that India smiles.
Good morning, students. How are you at home? Do you miss your school, your friends and teacher? How do you spend time at home? Can we make it productive till the school opens? Okay, tell me one thing. If you want to give a gift to someone, then what is the most precious things that you can give? I think it's your time, which once lost will never come back to you. As you know, a stitch in time saves 9. So, I would request you to spend quality time with your parents and family members. Have a lot of fun, eat healthy foods, play indoor game activities, and take care of your elders and yourself. I know we are going through a very tough phase in combating this virus, but do not get scared. Instead, you should feel proud that all of us, in fact the whole community, is working together globally today. Saying that the bulb in your room will not last forever. Have you ever changed the bulb recently? Everything has its own time, has its own day. Nothing will last forever. Basically, the virus will also end one day. Go through the last pandemic in the 10 years and see how the scientists have worked hard to eradicate it. Student, utilize your time. Invest in yourself. You should make a schedule and work accordingly. Balance your study and playing time. Do not forget to improvise your immunity by exercise to stay healthy and positive. Once the situation gets a bit calm, we will all join in the school assembly. Till then, stay safe by wearing masks when you go out, washing your hands and carry sanitizer with you.
The deadliest virus nature has given birth to in the present day is fear. Yes, it is not coronavirus, but fear. Nature is testing our willpower to overcome this difficult task it has set for us. She balances herself while testing our patience and perseverance to come out victorious. So children, don't lose hope, don't give up. Motivate yourself with all the positive auras around you. Now let me share what motivation is to me. Make up your mind, brace yourself. Ordeals high, none to help. Tear the cloak of doubt and fear. Ignite your heart, speed up gear. Victory is not a bed of rose, as it seeks all your foes. Treating rude, the crowd will judge. It's your faith that shields the grudge. Ocean of odds and motion to fight, never to sink, fill up your flight.
Students, as you all know that the coronavirus-led lockdown has put all our strength and zeal to a hard test by interrupting our regular routine. It is indeed a testing time for all of us. In order to overcome this effect of pandemic, CMS, under the supervision and guidance of a respected principal sir, has switched to an e-distance learning mode. And I'm sure that this has proved beneficial to all our students. I believe during this hour of crisis, feeling low is not what is sought out of you. Rather, you should be in the torch bearers of hope for your community. You should make it a habit to wake up with determination and get to bed with satisfaction. My advice is not to get depressed, frustrated, or refused but to spend quality time with your parents and your grandparents. Roosevelt once said, I care not what others think of what I do, but I care much about what I think of what I do. That is correct. Character makes a man. Children, character building exercise is one very valuable exercise you may go through this lockdown period. You're all aware of how migratory laborers are returning to their home states jobless and in hapless condition. You may do something for them.
My dear students, this lockdown time can be utilized properly. I can give you some ways. Firstly, let us do yoga. The exercise improves strength, flexibility, mobility, and most importantly, it can build your immunity during the coronavirus pandemic. Secondly, grow plant at home. The COVID-19 lockdown time can be utilized in growing plant in your garden. Grow as many plant as you can. Thirdly, spend time with your family. The best time spent is the time spent with your loved ones. Next, start painting. Take all those paint brushes that have been dying to use for ages. You can also use the spoon or other materials also. Create a collage. In this time of the smartphone, we have simply too many photographs. But if you have printer at your home, you can print out a few of your digital photos on normal painting paper and cut them out. Watch the top movie and educational TV serials. The National Geographic documentation are a way fun to learn. And finally, lose yourself in good books. Thank you.
Hello, children. I hope you all are keeping well. Here's a short recital, very motivating, meant specially for you. People walk the streets alone. Their only contact made by phone. Roads are quiet. The air is still. A situation so scary. A world that's fallen to its knees, full of fear, doubt, and uncertainty. Friends you can't meet. Friends that you miss. Wondering how you will get through. What the road ahead holds for you. Still blossoms are blooming everywhere. Birds are still flying in the air. A sky so blue, not a cloud in sight. The sun's warming rays that bring us light. Students, those of you who are feeling down, let me tell you that there is still beauty all around. Be happy, stay at home, and keep yourself safe. Follow rules so that you are well. Wait till the time is right and then come to school with a spark in your eyes. Thank you and be happy, keep safe. Bye.
Wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be. is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since I've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since I've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since I've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
নমস্কার, আমি দৈপায়ন বোস। এবছরের রবীন্দ্র জয়ন্তী সবাই আমরা একদম অন্যভাবে কাটিয়েছি। তার কারণ আমরা জানি, করোনা মহামারী সারা বিশ্বের ওপর এক ভয়ঙ্কর প্রভাব সৃষ্টি করেছে। তো এই রকম এক পরিবেশে আমি কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরকে শ্রদ্ধা জানাচ্ছি, আমার মতন করে শ্রদ্ধা জানানোর চেষ্টা করছি। আমি আজ রবীন্দ্রনাথকে কেন্দ্র করে লেখা একটি কবিতা পাঠ করব। কবিতাটি অবশ্যই আমি লিখেছি, আশা করি আপনাদের ভালো লাগবে। রবীন্দ্রনাথের প্রতি। তোমার সৃষ্টিরাশি অধ্যয়ন করে আমার স্তম্ভিত প্রত্যয়। তুমি কি মানব নাকি মানব দেহে দেবদূত, ঈশ্বরের মাঙ্গলিক সৈন্য? চারিদিকে যখন মৃত্যুর মিছিল, মৃত্যুর সাথে অসম যুদ্ধে পরাজিত ধরনী, তুমি কি অদ্ভুত মায়া বলে মৃত্যুঞ্জয়ী। মধ্যযুগ যদি সাক্ষী থাকে চূড়ান্ত বর্বরতার, আধুনিক যুগ সাক্ষী থাকলো রক্তাক্ত হত্যা লীলার। সভ্যতার আকাশে ঘনিয়ে এলো সংকটের কালো মেঘ। তুমি শোনালে প্রেম, ভালোবাসা, বিশ্বাসের বাণী। বিশ্বাস করো কবি, কবি বিশ্বাস করো, সভ্যতার সংকট আজও কাটেনি, শুধু বদলেছে ধরন। বুকের গভীরে প্রবেশ করো, দেখো প্রেম, স্বপ্ন, মৃত্যু একাকার। দেখো যন্ত্রণা রক্তের মতো বহমান শিরায় শিরায়। অবিশ্বাসের অঙ্গারে পুড়ে যাচ্ছে চিরন্তন বিশ্বাস। ফসিলের মতো, ফসিলের চেয়েও অধিক প্রস্তর হয়ে উঠছে হৃদয়। হারিয়ে যাচ্ছে সমস্ত সুকুমার বৃত্তি, হৃদয়ের আলো। কেন কেন আমি এভাবে বাঁচবো? কেন সহ্য করবো এই গ্লানি? আমার বিশ্বাস ফিরিয়ে দাও। ফুলের মতো সুন্দর হয়ে উঠুক হৃদয়। আমি বাঁচতে চাই কবি, শিশুর মতন অবাক বিস্ময় বাঁচতে।
Hello students. Today I Arindam Ojha, your physics teacher, want to share the famous story of Chinese bamboo trees. Do you know that it takes 5 to 6 long years only to develop its root? Then within few months it grows to 20 to 30 feet. But during that period, if the farmer stopped nurturing that plant, it could have died already. So considering this, I can say none of you are enjoying this lockdown period. Rather, you are worried, anxious regarding your future, especially the senior students. So I think you can utilize this lockdown period to polish all your skills as much as possible, including your study. So that when the situation will be normal, you also can grow like the bamboo trees. Faster. No looking back at that time, no lame excuse. So instead of blaming the government, the media, the whole world, let's work together to make this time fruitful. Trust me, no one will remember regarding this lockdown period after 5 or 10 years. So every step you will take now will impact in your future, in your career. Stay home.
The crisis will be over. Bright days will come soon. Do not be disheartened, my children. The gates of CMS will welcome again. The field will be joyous with your laughter. The teachers will love and scold. We all have the blessing of the Holy Trio. Stay safe, wear mask, be brave and bold.